All right, Advent of Code day 1. Let's see, AOC1. And I have this script set to sleep. And then it'll pull the input after 30 seconds. Now let's see if the site crashes. Oh yeah, it's crashing. Oh boy. Okay, some 2 entries. Okay, so AI times A at J. AI, wait, what was it? Sum. It's crashing now. Gosh dang it. I don't know if you can hear my heart pounding. No, the site, no. I got that in like, what does OBS say? 2 minutes? No, the site, no. Welp, a rip. Okay, so yeah, you can just nested for loop and find the ones that sum to 2020. Heck. Is it the whole site or just that day? All right, it's the whole site. Nice. Probably people used their scripts that auto-download the input in a loop or something. No! Well, that could have gone better. Like, I also struggled typing some of that, but I already had some of the stuff there. No! Alright, it's down. Well, it's back. No! I didn't get the really quick time. 3 things? Okay. Plus A at K times A at K. What? Nice. 238, not bad. All right. Well, that's one way for Advent of Code to go. One more thing at the end here. This guy got lucky. He got it in 35 seconds, but then everyone else had to wait a ton of time. Everyone's going to look back at this year and be like, what the heck? Why did it take everyone so long for such a trivial problem? Oof, he fell all the way down. Wait, yeah, what did I get? Let's see my stats. Dang, 634, not bad. Well, hopefully it doesn't crash tomorrow. Maybe it'll do better. Yes, that's day 1.